Suit na.
May kiniting. Female and male na siya.
Male na sila tanan
Male
ma'am.
sila tanan.
Asang female? Ang female ma'am kay wala tay female lion diri sa Cebu Safari because that will cause aggressive fightings among the male.
Hawk Eagle name, Hunter.
It was just there.
Nice catch, Hunter. Now, Philippine Hawk Eagle typically hunts from a perch, patiently waiting at the right moment to swoop down its prey. Now, as you can see here, Mr. Charles is wearing a thick glove. Now, centenars are also known as sand parakeets. They are very playful, social, and have a very loud voice. They are natives to the northeastern parts of South America, like Brazil and Alright, now he flies to the first hoop and he made it to the second one. Now, Eclectus parrot, their lifespan in the wild, they can only live up to 20 to 25 years. Beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now, when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances. Now, there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Now, fun fact about eastern grass owl can be found here in Asia, Pacific region, and Australia. Their lifespan in the wild, they can only live up to 9 to 10 years, but in here they can live much longer, 15 to 20 years. So round of applause to our eastern grass owl named Bella. But locally known here in the Philippines as Banug in Bisaya and Lawi in Tagalog. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Now, as you can see, Brahmini kites are excellent at gliding, soaring, and fly high up in the sky. Now, this type of birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. Again, they're formally known here in the Philippines as Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more. Here comes it. Can you turn around, buddy? Alright, that's one, two, last one. Good bird. Now, as you can see, most of their colors are outside their bodies and less color under their wings. But Jumbo is going to show us his beautiful wings. But first, can you say wings? Say it again, one more time. Say wings. Now lastly, macaws feet are zygidactylous, meaning they have two toes that points forward and two toes that points.
Those are dogs.
Come here, buddy. The macaws are very adaptive. Whatever environment they are in, it becomes quite normal to them. Meaning, if they are surrounded by many people, they will accept many people. Their main diet, it consists of fruits, palm fruits, nuts, and seeds. Now this bird, it can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. It has a strong beak that can easily grasp.